What's up, everybody? This is the Connect A60 back with another unboxing. Today we have the Navage nasal care system. The reason why I got it, it's the right now it's the only nasal system that got the powered suction. I guess you use the Saltpods, so on and so forth. I did have the neti pot, but you know, that was getting old. I do have, you know, some nasal congestion. I did have surgery on it. Didn't do too well. Didn't help. It helped for about a year, and then everything just went back to the way it was. So I'm hoping this will just relieve it a little bit. Not totally, but a little bit. So I did a little research, and really the best price was on the actual Navage site itself. HSN has it. They have bundles and this, that, and the third, but at the end of the day, it just makes more sense just to get it from the Navage site for me. So in the box, we got the actual item. We got the Navage nasal care system, and it came with a 60 salt pod set. These salt pods are the little water pods you put inside the system, and it mixes in with the water, and that's supposed to do the cleansing. All right, we got some stuff and paper there. Now the bundle I got came with 60 salt pods, like I said, and then you also get this. I don't know if it's picking it up. This teal. I believe two colors it comes in, black or this teal color here. It's the carrying case. Like I said, just double check the site. It's a nice padded carrying case here, so that's pretty good. We got the 60 salt pods, and then it came with the what do they call this? The stand, I guess you would say. They said it was like a $60 value free. So yeah, this would be like the counter stand here. These 30 come in a case right here. So it comes with two of them. You get two of them for free as part of the bundle. So that's 60 pods that come with the bundle. Then these, you get 30 for $15 a piece. But if you buy 3 or more, they're $10 a piece. So obviously I bought 3, so it could be $30. So really you can either buy 2 of them for $30 at $15 a piece, or you can add one more, and get 3 of them for $30. I also asked them in the message box if you could send me any extras or samples you have. So they sent me this eucalyptus salt pod, so I'm gonna give this one a try also. It's this usual salt pod, but it also has eucalyptus in it, if you can read that there.